My name's Brendan Pinson. I'm the General Superintendent at Stabilcorp. We're a family-run and owned, operated business. We do road construction, stabilisation, road maintenance. We work in the local government sector, so all the local councils, do a little bit of state work as well. I see a lot of New South Wales and southeast Queensland. Yeah, so we're working out on Cropper Creek Road for Wauchope Shire Council. We're doing some sub-base pavement rehabilitation. So what we're doing is we're transforming the existing in situ material into a quality grade material that they can use as a sub-base, where they'll come in later after we're out of the way, and then they'll place their base course at a later date. We've got a sizable staff here. We've got about 10 of our internal staff here, running 2 graders, 2 stabilisers, 2 spreaders, multiple rollers, 3 water carts, including a semi-water cart. We're a multi-generational company, being my father started Stabilcorp back in 1989. Bought his first cat machine, a little CC10 cat roller, and then digressed into buying bigger bits of gear, being our RM250C open cab stabiliser, to now running a full fleet of RM500 current model stabilisers. As you can see here, Cat 140N graders. Yeah, obviously working with my father was sort of a fire in the belly. I always wanted to work for Dad, and I see that same passion and fire in my 9-year-old son. Loves being around the machines. Can't wait to get into them and start operating them, ask them the right questions. Yeah, so Stabilcorp's story started with my father back in 1989, started doing concrete and building works, cleaning up around building sites, to where he seen a little bit of a lull in the market in our local area. Actually went out on a limb and went and purchased a millhead to start doing some micro stabilisation. As you can see, that obviously took off, and now our business is solely focused and heavily based around road maintenance in stabilising. Yeah, some of the most rewarding jobs that we've done over the most recent years have been tied directly to the floods. Roads, much like Cropper Creek, they just get inundated with the flood waters and washed away, isolating community. And it's those type of jobs that fill our team with pride, when we can come into a devastated community and provide them access back through their arterial roads. So with the growth of Stabilcorp, obviously with growth comes acquisitions of new pieces of equipment. The reason why Stabilcorp decided on Caterpillar is not only the quality built machines, but the after-sales support that comes with it. With a company specialised like Stabilcorp, it's not as easy to replace a machine once it goes down, especially with things like stabilisers. So it's very comforting to know that we can have a technician out here and get us back up on the road with as little downtime as possible. So some of the biggest feedbacks that we get from our operators is the comfort, the ergonomics of the cabs. So it's the things like the vision inside the cabs, and the ergonomics of the controls, and the aircon cabs, the sealed cabs. They're second to none in the market. So talking about quality, take this machine I'm standing in front of, for example. 860 hours on it, not a single issue. Haven't had to make one phone call to WesTrac or Caterpillar about any issues with it, which is pretty unheard of in our industry, to be honest. So Stabilcorp runs a fleet of roughly about 250 unique plan IDs. We have fluctuates a little bit, but between 50 and 60 staff at any one time. That's not including our contractors. I grew up on the tools working for Dad as a young fella in the open cab 2004 RM250C, which was an open cab weapon. And to see the way that these machines have changed, it's quite amazing. One of the best things about being a WesTrac customer is the service they offer with the Fit Fleet Customer Value Agreement. The CVA helps us maintain our gear. When we're out in the middle of places like Cropper Creek, we're 8 hours away from our head office with our mechanics. So when we're a forever moving target, WesTrac are able to follow us and service us on site at a fixed cost, which is just amazing for a company like us. So it's amazing to be part of this CAT 100-year anniversary. As a company, we're looking forward to the future. We're just opening up another depot in regional New South Wales in Orange. So we'll be looking forward to the future to purchase more equipment and look forward to a prosperous 100-year relationship between Stabilcorp and CAT in the future.